Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new budget mud truck video. In today's video, we are finally installing that winch that I've had sitting around in my garage for way too long. Just to give you guys a little background, I saw this ad on OfferUp for a lever hoist, quote unquote, for $160. In the pictures, you could clearly tell it was a 12K Warren winch, which is not bad. So I got extremely lucky and found out it was extremely close to where I was, so I drove over there immediately and purchased it. And to my surprise, it worked perfectly. No issues whatsoever on it. So in today's video, I'm finally installing that winch on the budget mud truck. As with most things with this truck, we took what seems to be the cheapest option by installing a front hitch on the truck, and then we bought one of these portable winch mounts to put on that hitch. Now, I wouldn't be completely honest if I said that was the only reason we did it. We also did it because I like the idea of being able to put the winch on the back of the truck or even on the front of my trailer if I want to winch something up on top of it, say maybe a broken truck. As far as the install itself goes, I just hooked up the winch to the mount and then put the mount into the receiver. And that's about it. Other than that, you just got to connect the cables and you're good to go. So I'll speed up the video and put some music on so you guys can actually enjoy me fiddling with the wiring and catch up with you at the end. As you saw, that install was quick and painless. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.